Okay guys, we got a 2018 Hyundai Tucson here with a 2.0. We have a brake light out. So just want to show you how to pull these off. If you look real close on the plastic here, there's two little spots right there where you can put a screwdriver and just kind of pop that out and pop that out. And then it should kind of slide right towards you just like that. Just slide out. Now we're going to pull off these two 10 millimeters. You can use a Phillips bit here too if you need, but 10 works pretty good. Now there should be a pin that's right in here, so we're just going to grab it and try to pull it straight out. Give it a little wiggle and a little pressure. Just remember your cord will still be hooked to it. Doesn't want to come? There you go. And then our brake light is going to be the top one here, so we're just going to twist that and slide it out right there. I believe it's 1157. Is that what it is? 1157? Oh, 2357. Here, I'll let you go ahead and do that. Push in, turn counterclockwise, and then pull out. Go figure, that one's probably broke.
It's sliding.
Will it pull straight out? Maybe it's already been turned. There we
Yeah.
go. And then notice on that there should be a low one and a high one. The little tits on the side. This one will sit lower than the other one, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just notice that when you guys put it back in there. You want the lowest one to have the lowest one. It goes in to the right, and then you're just going to slide it back in that hole and twist it to the right again. Line up your gears, of course.
There we go.
And that's it. And then this pin here, just make sure that you have it lined up there. Slide it in, and right when you get it lined up, give her a good smack straight forward one time with the hand. That's it, and your 10 millimeter bolts. And then your plastic cover is just going to snap back on. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.